Do you have an error with the Security Manager Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get localized security orchestration working again. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Security Manager Library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Security Manager Library. This library is the Security Manager component found in several specialized VPN clients and enterprise database tools. It manages the encrypted storage of session keys and localized permission manifests. Its absence prevents the software from establishing a secure tunnel or connecting to the database backend, citing a security provider initialization failed or permission denied error message. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This error typically involves a protected Windows system file. Open command prompt with administrator privileges and run sfc/scan now to verify system integrity and restore damaged files like Security Manager Library DLL. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Security Manager Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for Security Manager Library DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to Security Manager Library and system efficiency. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Security Manager Library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.